Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll cover important vocabulary for locations like supermarket, bank, post office, police station, fire station, stadium, zoo, beach, airport, and train station. Let's get started. Our first stop is the supermarket. Supermarket. A supermarket is a large store where you can buy food and household items. Some common items you might find in a supermarket include bread, milk, eggs, fruits and vegetables, meat, and canned goods. Moving on, let's explore the bank. Bank. A bank is a financial institution where you can deposit and withdraw money. Some common services offered by banks include checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and mortgages. Next up, we have the post office. Post office. A post office is a place where you can send and receive mail and packages. Some common services offered by post offices include buying stamps, sending letters and packages, and renting post office boxes. Now, let's head to the police station. Police station. Here, you'll find police officers, brave individuals who maintain law and order. They use equipment like handcuffs to detain criminals and walkie-talkies to communicate. Our next destination is the fire station. Fire station. This is where firefighters work tirelessly, ready to respond to emergencies at a moment's notice. They extinguish fires with their fire trucks equipped with long hoses and ladders. Moving on, let's explore the stadium. Stadium. It's where thrilling sports games happen. You'll see players competing fiercely, fans cheering enthusiastically, and scoreboards displaying points. Look out for the bleachers filled with spectators and the field where all the action takes place. Now, let's visit the zoo. Zoo. Some of the most common animals you might see at the zoo are lions, tigers, bears, and elephants. You might also see monkeys, giraffes, and zebras. Don't forget to bring your camera to take pictures of these amazing animals. Our next location is the beach. Beach. When you go to the beach, you might want to bring a towel, sunscreen, and a swimsuit. You can swim in the ocean or just relax on the sand. You might also want to try some water sports like surfing or paddleboarding. Moving on, let's explore the airport. Airport. When you travel by plane, you will need to go to the airport. You will need to check in your luggage and go through security before boarding your flight. Don't forget your passport and boarding pass. Finally, we arrive at the train station. Train station. If you're traveling by train, you will need to buy a ticket before boarding. You can take a local train or a long-distance train, depending on where you're going. And that concludes our video on essential vocabulary related to various locations. We hope you found this video helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning videos. See you next time.